$1 million reviews. You might be wondering, why am I saying reviews to be worth $1 million or maybe more for your business? Reviews are the last thing that comes to a business owner's mind. Like you, it has been the same for me. The last time I thought of a review when I got a notification that I have a negative review from a client. After having worked for over 10 years and with more than 1,000 clients, I have only 20 reviews in my Google profile. What does it say? Does it say that I have worked with over 1,000 clients in the last 10 years? Or does it say that I have only worked with 20 odd clients in the last 10 years that I claim myself to be in business into? Who do you trust when you shop on Amazon? What do you trust, or how do you sort or filter the products based on the number of reviews? That's where you are making the purchase decision today. Subconsciously or unconsciously, you are doing that every single day. As a business owner, what happens? You did that as a customer, but the moment you became a business owner, things changed for you. Why did it change? What made you not focus on too much on reviews, even though you know the importance of reviews? I'll summarize a few reasons why you did not focus or you did not have enough number of reviews or an equal number of reviews compared to the number of clients or the customers that you have served. But if you are a recruitment agency, you have served a lot more number of candidates, you have served a lot more number of clients, but do not have enough number of reviews. Most of the recruitment agencies that I have worked with or reviewed, they do not have more than 20 or 50 reviews in 10 to 15 years of being into business. Does that justify? Does that collaborate with the fact that you have worked with over 1,000 clients or placed more than 10,000 candidates? It does not. But why does this happen? Why is it that you do not have enough number of reviews? What is the problem? The problems are like you. Your efforts have not been consistent. 2 months back or 4 months back, you suddenly getting reviews. You started on that. In a week, you collected a lot of reviews, but then you forgot. Normal business cycle started and you started focusing on leads and sales and operations and everything else, but not reviews. So you were not consistent with your efforts. Number 2 was you did not ask for reviews enough number of times, or you did not ask at all. From the clients you served, from the candidates you placed, you did not ask for reviews. You did not solicit for reviews. Your review process is difficult, or you do not have one at all, and which is why you do not have reviews. The number 4th reason that you do not have reviews is you feared that you might happen to get negative reviews. Is that a reason for you? Limited online presence. You are not present on all the platforms possible where your customers or your clients or your candidates, if you are a recruitment agency for that matter, can review you. You're not present on those platforms, and you're not leveraging automation. You are not automating the system. You do not have a process, you do not have a system, and that system is not automated, which these are the biggest reasons that you generate. Now, when you have good number of reviews, the conversion of those leads becomes easier and becomes faster, because when you have a number of reviews, you have real people talking about your services or your products. And when you have real people in such good numbers talking about your services or your products, the prospective customer does not have to even think before buying your service or your product. That is how big the impact is on your bottom line when you have more number of reviews. So you get more number of leads, you get more number of conversions. If you are a recruitment agency and you also place candidates, attracting more candidates become easy when you have more reviews on the respective platforms, and converting them also becomes a lot easier. So be it any small business or a recruitment agency, no matter who you are, more number of reviews more means better search rankings, means more number of leads, and means more conversions. But the bigger question is now that we are going to come to, how do we get more number of reviews? How do we solve all the problems that we spoke of in the first, of not being consistent, of not having a process, of not having automations, of having the fear of negative reviews? How do we take care of all of that? To tell you about that, I have built a system. I have a system which you can easily use, or you can also figure it out. I'll take you through a system, a step-by-step system, on how you can also get a lot of reviews consistently from your clients, from your candidates, whoever you have worked with, and improve your business, take your business to the next level. Now that you know what the problems are and why you are not having enough number of reviews, I'll take you through a step-by-step process on what exactly can you do to get more number of reviews. The number first thing that you need to do is identify the platforms that you would want to use to get more number of reviews. That's important. So if you are a small business owner, what platforms do people look for you on? It could be Google Business, it could be Yelp, or it could be any other listing directories where you are reviewed. If you are a placement agency or a recruitment agency, you might also want to be reviewed on Indeed or other similar platforms. Or if you want to be on Glassdoor or other platforms for your employee reviews. That's all. These are the platforms that you can be on. So make sure that you identify these. Once you identify the platforms, you set up your profiles on all the different platforms. Make sure that you are consistent. Your branding, your logo, your name, your tagline, your headline, everything is consistent across all the platforms, so that when a person visits your website, goes to your social media, goes to your review platforms, they find a consistency and they know that, okay, this is the company that I wanted to review by just having a look at it. Getting my idea? Okay, so that was number 2. Number 3, have the review links handy always with you. Have the platforms identified, get yourself listed there, and have the review links handy with you. Have it noted somewhere. The Google Business review link is this, the Glassdoor review link is this, the Yelp review link is this. So have it handy with you. And then for the next steps, I'll take you to my computer screen and we will continue over there. So when we talk about collecting reviews, you have 2 types of people who you can collect reviews from. Clients or customers that you have served in the past. They are a gold mine of reviews who have been satisfied with your service and everything that you have done in the past. You might be having a list of 100, 200, 500 or 1000 clients or customers that you have already worked with. You can go back to them and ask for a lot of reviews. This is the fastest way how your reviews can be improved. And then you can build a system that consistently brings in more reviews every time you deliver a service or deliver a product to a customer. Starting with the first one, where you upload your current database of customers or clients to the system and automate the flow of soliciting reviews from them and keep following up with them. Okay, ready to have a look at that system? Okay, so let's jump onto the screen and see for ourselves. Here we are in the contacts dashboard, and what we do here is I go and click on add a contact or maybe import a contacts. When I click on import contacts, I upload a file. I go to documents, I check for my list of people that I want to upload here. Now, once this is done, I would go back to this automation that I was talking about. Okay, what this automation does is you will be seeing in a few seconds. It's exciting, I'm sure. Okay, now over here, there's a trigger. The trigger is a form. Trigger could be a new contact added. So I can add a new contact created. Whenever I upload the contacts, I can mark it as contact created, and I can add some tags, which would be too technical for you to understand, but let's not get into that for now. So when I have a new trigger, whenever a new contact is created, what the system does is sends them a review link. The body of the email could be different. Like we over here is we sincerely appreciate your choice in selecting our services. Your satisfaction is our priority and we are thrilled to have been able to serve you. To enhance our services, we would love to hear about your experience. Kindly share your valuable feedback by clicking on the following link. Now this is the link that we send them, and boom, this goes. The second thing that happens is a SMS is sent to them. So let's say they did not see the email, and SMS goes to them with a similar set of content. Okay, now once the email and the SMS is sent, what they get is a link to this page, something like this with a logo of yours, and it says, how was your experience working with us? On a scale of 0 to 5, how happy are you with our services? 5-star means we did great. It will take 30 seconds to complete. Now, remember I was talking about the negative reviews? How do you take care of those negative reviews? Now, what the system does is, whenever somebody gives you a neutral or unhappy or an extremely unhappy ranking, something different happens. And when they give you a happy or a very happy ranking, something else happens. What are these things? Whenever somebody gives you a neutral ranking, they are redirected to a page like this. Thank you for your feedback. Sorry to hear that you were not satisfied. Please allow us to make it right for you. Your name, your email address, your organization, and your feedback. What your feedback was. And that way, they can submit it, you get the feedback, and a negative review is taken care of. What happens when they submit a positive review, a happy or a very happy? It takes them to your review platform. It could be Google, it could be Yelp, It could be Glassdoor, it could be whatever review platform that you choose to be on, or you want people to review you on. Now, whenever you click on the happy, it takes you to in this case, it takes me to the Google page. Okay, see how exciting and interesting this is and how easy it is. Now let's say that they did not respond to this email. What happens is, it waits. It checks if the review link was clicked. If it was clicked, it ends here. If they did not click it the first time, a follow-up email goes to them. A follow-up SMS goes to them. It again waits. It again checks if the review link was clicked. If a yes, it ends. If no, a unique thing happens. It sends them a follow-up with a giveaway message. What this giveaway message is, get 10% off on the next service when you review us. So we are giving them something to review us. This does two things for you. It gets you a review, gives them a reward, and it gets you a repeat customer or a client without having to pay any extra dollar on marketing activities. You have worked with somebody already, and now because you are giving them a 10% discount, you get a review and you also get a repeat customer. So the same message is emailed to them and SMS to them. It again waits, it checks if the review link was clicked, and then sends a follow-up email 3, SMS follow-up 3, and we are done. We don't send more follow-ups to any one individual. So that was the entire review management system built for recruitment agencies or for any other small businesses that wants to use it. Now comes the good part. I would want to get on a call with you to explain you in more details how the system works and how it can do wonders for you. And since I am the only person, I have very limited number of interviews or calls that I can get onto. So what are you waiting for? Click on the button below, schedule a call with me, and we will together find out how to rock your business, get your business better research rankings, and get your business more leads leading to more sales. Sounds good? Okay, then see you there. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.